Hey guys, Thomas here at MarineMax showing you a brand new 2023 23LX Bennington Pontoon with the SPS package. Guys, this is a beautiful boat. You'll see it's got the smooth panel and the rigid paneling. Smooth is smoky granite and the rigid is black. Beautiful boat as we walk down the side. Again, this is a 23LX with the SPS package. All 25-inch pontoon logs. Guys, boarding from the stern, you'll see that this boat does have the curved ladder and the extended deck here on the aft. Walking aboard, you'll see the graphite Simtex with the diamond pressed upholstery. Plenty of cup holders, guys. Plenty of storage underneath all your seats here. Beautiful boat. Guys, looking at the helm, you'll see we've got the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. Simrad Go 7. Guys, this boat will be equipped with the Yamaha 150. Again, this is a quad bench. Nice bow table with 4 cup holders. Again, plenty of cup holders throughout the whole boat. USB plugs up here in the forward section. 10-foot bimini top. Guys, this boat is currently available. For more information, please give us a call at 236-9005 or stop by our showroom located at 14 Birdie Road, Greenville, South Carolina 29605. Thank you for looking and have a great day.